So the assembly is pretty simple on this vacuum. As you can see, you just get things ready, unwrap, and then you move on to assembly, which is just not too many components to deal with, so it's simple. This bottom piece, you just match the connectors, and it clicks right in, and then you move over to the handle. Same thing, this handle, you just slide it over and click. You hear that click, it's all the way in. Nice and simple. So next thing on the list is this tube, extension tube slash extension hose. It's pretty much part of the hose that extends when you need to vacuum your stairs or something like that. So all you do is you slide it right into the hose, and on the red part of it, that red handlebar part of it that it's on the top, you just slide it right in there, and you can see those guides. There's little guides in there that slide in into the actual vacuum handle on each side, and that's what holds it in. Close the cap, and that's all there is to it. So now we're just gonna finish unwrapping some of the smaller accessories, get them ready, and remove this whole filter assembly so we could start installing the bracket for the accessories. For now, we're gonna do this. So this slides right on in here, just like that. As you can see right here, just slide it on there. From there, we got this goes on here, and this goes here. Now to put it back, just match the hole there. As you kind of feel it, it just went right in. You match one here, and then you just push it in, nice and tight. Cover on the top open right here. Get this open. This just comes right out, and you can extend it all the way up until it clicks. Now you can hear it's locked. And now all you do is put this on, and you can see it's supposed to go down here where it locks. Down there, smaller one. Just clicks like this. You can hear it click. Just like that. So once again, if you want to take it out, push the button here, take it out. If you want to put it in, clicks, you can hear the click, it's in there. So now you can use it just like that on your stairs or couch, like I said, anywhere where the actual vacuum would be too big for you. So that's how you put it on. So take it out, and that's how you put the whole thing back into where it goes, like this. You push the red button here. Up this way. Slides into that groove. Close the lid. You're done. And you just wrap that cord around there. Same thing if you want to use any of these adapters. You can add them. Same thing, you just take the hose out, put it right there on the hose. With that same button, you lock unlock if you want to take it out. Push this button, put it right back there. Or you can use this adapter. You know, same thing, that goes right under the hose. And if you want to clean it manually, you can do that too. So either way you want to do it, super easy to use. All you gotta do is just goes right into the hose. I can show you that again here. Goes right on there right there. That's it. Same with this. Just goes right on. You can hear the click. Now you get this kind on. Put that back. Take it out. It literally took me maybe what? So put it back in, take it out, put it back on, what, like a minute. So that's very easy to do. Now let's move to the filter. Push the button, pull it out. It's got a little locking mechanism here so that your kids or nobody gets to it. All you gotta do is just push this button. This button pushes this lever and it opens it up just like that. Or what you can do, open it up here. So you just slightly pull on it like this. Open it up. That's where your filter is. And make sure you rinse it up, cold water. Well, they recommend about once a month. Clean it up, rinse it up, let it dry, and then you just put it right back in there. It's not, there's no locking mechanism, nothing like that. You just put it all the way in. That's it. Lock that. This is how you throw away your garbage. All you gotta do, you don't even have to touch it. Come to your garbage can, push the button, it opens it up, throw it all away, close the lid, you're done. Come back, put it back. Here, let's try to do it one hand. Bam, one hand, just like that. So this one here, all you have to do is hold it, unscrew this cap here, this comes out. So you just turn it left, filter comes out. Same thing, you can rinse it and wash it and then just let it dry. And then when you put it back, just make sure you match the arrow. So in fact, that sticker right there actually shows you how to do it, but all it is with that arrow, this arrow right here, it's supposed to match this arrow right here. So you just put it on, starting from your left. As you twist it, turn it, keep going until it locked and the arrows line up. That's all you worry about. Okay. From there, put the cover back on. It's right there, centered. Yeah, you can feel it when it goes in. It actually starts spinning. And you need to actually spin the blue thing, not this. You hear the clicks? That's when it's all the way in. Just like that. Okay, final stop here at the end of our quick review. Let's turn it on for the first time, see what it sounds like, see how strong it is. Our small here piece of carpet here is very clean. We just actually washed it, but we'll see how it does. Pretty impressed, to be honest. You actually pulled my hand, like you was like pulling on it so hard. That's how strong it is. So far, really liking it. In fact, we just washed this piece of carpet. So to show you how strong it is, look what we got here. This is right after washing the carpet. It pulled everything you had in there. Even though we just washed it, that's how strong it is. So I like that because I want all the dust out. I want all the crap out of any especially if your house is carpet all the way through the whole house, or even if it's just a few rooms, you want everything out of there. You don't want to breathe that. You don't want to hear kids playing the dust and stuff. So I really like that. As you know, Dyson is popular being pretty strong. So that's the only reason that we bought this Dyson version to test it out. So I like it. We so far planning to keep it, and we'll see how it does. Of course, we just started using it, but as I showed you earlier, everything is very easy to use, easy to clean the filters, easy to dump that garbage. In fact, I can demonstrate that once more here, now that we have a little bit of a dust there. Just dump it in like this. You don't have to touch any of that. In fact, I even use my garbage can to lock it up. That's it. Put it right back. Both sides match. This matches. That's it. So as you can see, you can do most of it just one-handed. So I like that part of it a lot. So now when it's in stationary, if you turn the button on, this hose turns on as far as what works, the way it works. You can now use the hose, with any adapter you want. As soon as you lean it down like this, any angle, this side of it is what starts to work and pull hard. As you can see, it's spinning. It works well. This other button here, if you push this button, it would just stop spinning. So if it's something you want to go through, it's very, let's say, super small, tiny, or some kind of dust or whatever that is. If you don't need that to spin, or if it's something in the way, sometimes it could be something, I don't know, it could be anything weird and disgusting like hair, who knows what. And if you're worried that it can get wrapped around it, you just push the button, stop it from spinning, and all it does is just sucks it in without spinning. I'm gonna turn that on. I just wanted to say that first because once I turn it on, you probably won't hear me talking. So now let's see them actually how it works. As you can see, it's spinning. I push the button, it stops spinning. Push it again, it's spinning. So it's been about a few months since I was able to get to this video to actually finish it up, and just wanted to update everybody. We still have the vacuum. We love it. We like it a lot. The only thing, it's actually pulling so hard. Sometimes wife is saying it's even a little hard to hold it, and because it's really pulling so hard. It's like dragging you with it. But other than that, it's a great vacuum. It is expensive, but to us so far it's worth it, and we love it and we recommend it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.